2017 Ford Mustang 5.0, beautiful black on white, or white on black, whatever you want to call it. He's still got a lot of work he's going to do to it. He's upgrading it little by little. So he started with the exhaust, my kind of guy. He's got factory converters there and there. Then he bought his own bolt-on system, H-pipe back, MBRPs. I can never say that, guys. It's a cat back system with an H-pipe. It replaces the resonator with an H-pipe, and then I'll show you guys the mufflers in a second. So there's the H-pipe right here. It equalizes exhaust scavenge on burble. Then it's a 3-inch system all the way back. It's all bolted on. We always like to tack them, the clamps, so they don't get loose, because especially on fast cars like these, they tend to get loose over time. So if you clamp them, once you clamp them, you put a little tack here and here on them. Always recommend the muffler shop tell them to tack them for you guys, so they don't move and they don't loosen back out. So it's a 3-inch system all the way back, and then he's got these mufflers right here, bottle style mufflers, MBRPs, and then 4 or 5-inch tips. I think they're 5-inch tips, black, there and there to complete the look. So it's a full bolt-on kit. I'll see if I can get you guys a part number. I'll ask him for the part number because he brought it in his car without any part numbers. Okay? And this is we chopped up the whole system because he's taking his old system with him. There's the stock mufflers, stock intermediate pipes, and stock resonator that comes on these. It's huge. Looks a lot better with this. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Mustang GT MBRP system. Give a guess. Much better. That's clean. Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels. Look at that. Again. 113. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. I like the little wing on it. You changed it, didn't you? You added that. That's a nice stance to it. And it's lower too. Yeah, that's nice. How many inches is it lower? Oh, did you? It's perfect stance for it. Wow. It's sexy. Listen to that thing roar, man. Mustangs never disappoint. MBRP. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang 5.0 MBRP system, axle back, H-pipe system. Enjoy, guys. Or coyote mode.